Everyone tells you to scale by hiring a team. They're wrong. Hiring is a liability. I've built multiple six-figure businesses without hiring a single employee. I've used AI automation to replace human tasks. My name is, and I've worked with numerous solopreneurs and digital agency owners to help them automate their lead gen and fulfillment engines. I'm an expert in AI tools like Make.com and GPT-4o. In this video, I'll show you how to build a zero-employee agency using these tools. You'll learn how to automate lead generation, customer support, and fulfillment. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear plan to replace human liabilities with AI automation. No more hiring headaches, no more training costs. Just pure, scalable profit. Here is the lie you've been told. To grow, you need a team. You think hiring a VA or a project manager will finally give you your time back. But here is what actually happens. You don't get your time back. You just change how you spend it. Instead of doing the work, you're now a full-time manager. You spend 4 hours a day answering, "How do I do this?" and "Where is the file?" You've just traded execution for administration. And then there's the management tax. Salaries are fixed. Your revenue is variable. One bad month and your payroll becomes a noose around your neck. Not to mention the human element. People get sick. They lose motivation. They make typos. They miss deadlines. Every single human you add to your process is a new point of failure. While you're spending thousands of dollars training someone to follow a SOP, the technology has already leaped forward. Why pay a salary for a process that a GPT-4o prompt and a Make.com scenario can execute in 3 seconds? You aren't scaling your business. You're just scaling your overhead. It's time to stop hiring people to do things that code can do better. Stop thinking about payroll. Start thinking about API calls. Most people think scaling means adding headcount. But headcount is just more management, more drama, and more overhead. The alternative, the zero-employee agency. This isn't about doing everything yourself. It's about building a digital workforce that doesn't sleep, doesn't complain, and costs less than your monthly coffee budget. To do this, you only need 2 things: Make.com as your nervous system and GPT-4o as your brain. Let's build the engine. First, the lead gen machine. Most agencies waste thousands on VAs to scrape lists and send generic emails. That's a legacy mindset. Instead, we use Make.com to connect your lead source directly to GPT-4o. Here is the secret: don't just send a template. Use GPT-4o to visit the lead's website, analyze their current offerings, and find one specific pain point. The AI then writes a hyper-personalized hook that feels like you spent an hour researching them. The system then pushes that personalized message into your CRM or email tool. Zero manual effort. Total personalization. Now let's talk about the part everyone fears: fulfillment. This is where most solopreneurs hit a ceiling. They can sell, but they can't deliver without burning out. The zero-employee agency solves this with modular fulfillment. When a client signs, they fill out an onboarding form. This triggers a Make.com scenario. GPT-4o takes that raw data and transforms it into your first draft, whether that's a marketing strategy, a content calendar, or a technical audit. You aren't the worker here. You are the editor-in-chief. You spend 10 minutes polishing the AI's output instead of 10 hours creating it from scratch. This is the shift. You've replaced a $3,000 a month project manager with a $20 a month subscription and some clever automation. You now have a business that scales infinitely without adding a single person to the Zoom call. That is how you build a lean, mean profit machine in 2026. Now, here's the engine that makes this possible. I build everything using Make.com and GPT-4o. Think about it. No payroll. No health insurance. No managing people who don't care as much as you do. Just pure, scalable logic. By implementing this exact workflow, I've automated 90% of my lead generation and fulfillment. The result? Higher margins, zero overhead, and total freedom. You don't need a team, you need a system. I've linked Make.com and OpenAI in the description. Use those to start building your zero-employee engine today. If you're ready to stop hiring and start automating, hit the like button and subscribe. Let's build the future of work.